Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make keema fry or meat mince fry. Keema is a classic dish, easy to cook and amazing in taste. Keema is a fantastically versatile ingredient and perks up any meal. So let's get started. For making this dish I have taken half a kg of meat mince. I'm going to knead it a bit so that no knots will be formed later while cooking. 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt 2 teaspoons or according to your taste, 1 cinnamon stick, 3 to 4 green cardamoms, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 black cardamom, half a teaspoon of cumin seed powder, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of ginger powder, 1 teaspoon of fennel seed powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala and 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, and oil I have taken 3 to 4 tablespoons. 1 diced tomato, 2 thinly sliced onions, mix of fresh coriander and mint leaves finely chopped, and 2 to 3 finely chopped green chilies. Now in a pan I have heated up 3 tablespoons of oil and added ginger garlic paste and added whole spices, cumin seeds, cinnamon stick, green cardamom, black cardamom. Saute them properly and then add sliced onions. Mix and fry till onions turn soft. Here the heat is between medium to high. Once the onions are soft and change their color to translucent, we will add tomatoes. Add a teaspoon of salt and keep stirring in between till onions and tomatoes are mixed properly. Once tomatoes and onions are fried properly and they are mixed properly, we will be adding spices. So we will add half a teaspoon of cumin seed powder, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of ginger powder, half a teaspoon of fennel seed powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala, salt, mix, and then I'll be adding green chilies. Then I'll add 2 teaspoons of red chili powder. Mix properly. Let it fry a bit and then add keema or meat mince. Give it a good mix and then add chopped coriander and mint leaves. Mix properly. Cover and let it cook on low flame for around 15 to 20 minutes. So after 10 minutes I'll just have a look. So here you can see it has changed its color. So I'll give it a mix and then again cover it and let it cook on low flame. So after more 15 minutes you can see that it has released water also. So I'll keep it stirring in between. Now here you can see that oil has come on the surface, so it's fried properly. So at this stage we can adjust salt also, and I'll be adding half a cup of water and let it cook again for around few minutes till I get the desired consistency. Here you can see keema is ready. You can add more water if you want a bit of gravy. Keema is versatile. It can be served totally dry or a portion of gravy. So here our keema is ready. Now I'll dish it out. Give this dish a try and let me know in comments how it turns. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.